Just gonna make a quick unboxing video. Justin at VMP is kind enough to send me a trunk ice tank with accessories for essentially all 79 to 2024 Mustangs here. I'm planning to put this in my 2012, which is going to go to one lap of America in 2025. Also some local track days and events here, and I have his VMP Odin kit as well for the car. So in order to keep things cool on the track, I'm sure everybody knows you need to keep it cool, and what better way to do it than an ice tank. So looks like we have a bag here full of silicone couplers, some reducers. We have some nice brass fittings and quick disconnects and drain valves. Stainless filter element, it looks like. Some Allen hardware. So that's all nice stuff. Another silicone coupler. Looks like we have a bracket here, which I will assume is for the intercooler pump to be mounted, or actually, I'm sorry, this will probably be for the tank to be held down. I believe the point of this kit is to use a spare tire well, all original mounting locations, so you're not essentially blowing holes in your battleship here, so to speak. Everything's powder coated black, nice. Move that box out of the side here. Let me cut this. Oh. We have our traditional nice clear lens here, so you can see what's going on in the tank. This is like a hard plastic, something you would want to, or composite, whatever you'd like to call it, something you'd like, have a battery box cover out of, or even a pool. I'll go even as far to say as a pool might be made out of this, or some kind of covering, but everything looks to be very nice. It's pretty lightweight, as seen. I'm not the strongest guy in the world. Have all our valves here for the openings, I should say, for all the coolant to pass through. So I mean, essentially this thing will sit in your trunk just like this. So when you pop the trunk, here she be. I'm sure there is a, I see, okay. So just to avoid, I'm sorry to repeat myself here, this is the hole for your spare tire well. So this is normally where that little U-hook would come through, sticks up, and then you put the round piece on and you tighten the little nut down onto that. So that looks like that will hold this down. He also supplies those brackets as shown, and these are all nut-certed and ready to go. So that way you can use those as mounting points or mounting brackets as well if your trunk is not set up for that style, or you remove that bracket for whatever reason from your car. So nice clean way to mount it. This thing will look sweet in there. I'm excited to run this thing. I have the intercooler pump from VMP as well, and that paired with my Odin. And I'm probably going to run like a 92 or an 88 millimeter pulley and run E85 when I can, but it will need pump gas because I will travel with the car. I think this will do the job, keep it cool for a couple laps. So thanks again to VMP for that.